Welcome to ADV South Africa, guys. I'm Rob, and today we're answering two questions. What is a pit bike, and why do you need one in 2021? Let's get to it. Okay, so what is a pit bike? So as you can see behind me here, there's the iconic horizontal motor. They normally come in about a 125, especially on the Chinese pit bikes. However, some of the Japanese bikes are 110s, and some of the Chinese bikes go up to 160s. So there's a whole variety, but they're iconically known for their horizontal motor. Then you typically get a small wheel and a big wheel. This is a small wheel behind me. I'll show you the size wheels, as well as a big wheel. The two main characteristics that are different: a shorter wheelbase on the small wheel makes it a little bit more twitchy, more nimble though, and a big wheel is more of a steady bike to ride. However, it's a little bit bigger, so if you are a bit of a bigger person or quite tall, I'd recommend a big wheel. Otherwise, the small wheels are extremely fun. Just to give a little bit of a price bracket, a typical Chinese pit bike second hand is about 5,000 Rand, a brand new one about 15,000 Rand, and if you go Japanese, they go quite expensive. They go between the 38,000 Rand to the 46,000 Rand brand new, and you find very few of them on the second-hand markets. But enough chat about the bikes, let's get to the track. I want to show you guys exactly why you need a pit bike in 2021. Now, for those of you that are looking at this, start thinking that is way too many people to ride with, you really don't have to stress about it. There are classes on the day. It just keeps the competitive edge. The faster guys obviously pull out in front, and then you got the track to yourself, so you don't have to stress about that. Typically, we'll have about an hour warm-up, and then you'll be in your classes. Just have a fun day out. It's not about winning, it's just about having fun. So the first reason to buy a pit bike is to have a crazy amount of fun. All the pitch and rides happen once a month, so there's always someone to ride with, and there's always a group of us that comes out, has a jolt, like today, here at Dirt Bronco, just having a time. Another thing I want to mention, it's always worth riding in a bit of safety gear. You want a nice helmet, decent gloves. As you can see on the day, I'm in the red flat out racing kit, and that rushes you about 1,800. It's local, you can support our guys. Check out Flat Out Racing in the description below. Just a big Okay, so we're doing a relay. It's one lap per rider. You're gonna swap 6 laps, and then the winners get t-shirts. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Do it. summary, this is why you need to put bike in 2021. They're good, cost-effective, fun, easy to work on, easy to fix. It's a day out with your friends. And guys, if you want to see a little sneak peek of the next video, my Hyundai Elite over there. Oh damn, that's coming next week. So stick around, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one.